All right, Andy, we're going to bring you the food now. ALDI is your one-stop shop for high-quality, nutritious Lent choices that don't break the bank. So here to help serve up delicious and affordable food ideas throughout Lent, Rebecca Scritchfield. She's the dietitian and author of the book Body Kindness. Welcome back.
Thank you so much for having me. You know, ALDI really believes in providing high-quality food at affordable prices. And great news for us in the D.C. area. Just last month, ALDI opened its second store in the Falls Church area. So they're really doing a service, bringing the ALDI experience, much more high-quality food and fresh produce at unbeatable prices. And that's great news for us.
I remember there's an ALDI in my neighborhood, and the parking lot is always full, and people are always going in and out. So one time I'm just like, I got to go see what this ALDI experience is about. And you can find everything you need, and like you said, great affordable prices, and the food is fresh and delicious.
Absolutely. So around Lent, we're really focused on the seafood here. And what's great at ALDI is you can get fresh, never frozen seafood every single day. Look for Atlantic salmon as well as tilapia. And then you can also look for this Fremont fish market line where you can find beer batter cod, flounder, and this beautiful jumbo shrimp, which I'm showing here, featured in these beautiful shrimp tostadas. So I wanted to offer a Lent-friendly recipe that would be a little bit, you know, different and flavorful. All this beautiful, colorful produce, which you can get as well. So we've got this cilantro and jalapeno tomatoes. ALDI has an expansive, fresh produce section, including many organic options, and you could look for those by looking for the organic seal on the label.
I know you can't smell this at home, but that cilantro is so fragrant and so vibrant, and I just love how there's so many colors and it's not just shrimp and something.
Right, it's a little effort, exactly, and it'd be great to have during the Lent season, along with this Spanish cauliflower rice.
Cauliflower rice is all
trending.
the rage.
And I'm always trying to help people get more veggies, and this is a way to add flavor. So we've got some tomatoes and tomato paste, a little bit of jalapeno and onion. It's a great make ahead to reheat. And I baked it in this beautiful Dutch oven, which ALDI finds is another really unique thing that they offer. And this is specials on housewares. It changes every week. You're going to be surprised in the store. You're going to save a lot of money. So this beautiful Dutch oven, as well as those porcelain servers. And it could be a gift if you're visiting someone and want to bring them a nice gift at a great price.
Okay, and what about for the vegans, vegetarians?
Yeah, so lots of Lent-friendly options here. So this is the earth-grown line, and actually these two products here, the Quinoa Crunch Veggie Burger and the Kale Veggie Burger, are award winners. And actually 1 in 5 ALDI products is award winning. So this won in the best new vegan burger category.
Delicious. Yep. That looks yummy. And then of course you have to have dessert.
Yes.
You have to have dessert.
So these are cocoa mocha cookies. Yeah, they're delicious. I made them with my girls. They actually have apples and dates and oatmeal in them. So I was like, this could pass as a breakfast food too. I'm showing it as a lovely dessert board again with this beautiful fresh fruit that you can pick up at ALDI, even pre-cut mango. And it's really a great place where you can get these wonderful finds and save a lot of money.
Love pre-cut mango. I still haven't figured out how to cut mango. So I appreciate, but that's beautiful. And then you've got, like, we just had a party thing.
Yes.
So if you want to give a thank you.
And I'm showing my girls how to express more gratitude and send thank you cards and thinking of you cards. So that was another local ALDI find, as well as those storage bins. I picked those up because, you know, if you're entertaining, you want to straighten up. So I got those for my girls. They're going to tidy up in the living room, kind of tuck their toys away. And again, you never know what you're going to find in that those aisles at the ALDI finds, but I highly recommend that you don't skip it because you're going to save some money.
So many cute, great gift ideas, especially as we're going into spring. So ALDI, what last thing do we all need to know before we get into that store?
Well, to get these recipes or find the closest store to you, visit the website. It's aldi.us.
aldi.us. Rebecca, thanks so much for bringing us all of this and helping us stay healthy during Lent.
Thanks for having me.
We love fresh, yummy food. Take advantage of the Better For You recipes so you can make fresh food at home. Visit aldi.us today or use the hashtag ALDILove. This segment was paid for by ALDI. We'll be right back.